Welcome to Easy Learning. Dictation starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. The main contentions of the Learned Counsel for the petitioners are that the occurrence was unseen and the petitioners has falsely been involved in the case. Full stop. The circumstantial evidence produced by the prosecution is totally insufficient to connect the petitioners with the commission of offences. Full stop. The learned courts below have wrongly relied upon the incredible testimony and fake recoveries of alleged weapons of offense and looted property, and the High Court has not appreciated the prosecution evidence in depth and has referred to the prosecution evidence in a cursory and casual manner for confirmation of death sentence. Full stop. Learned counsel for the state, on the other hand, has supported the judgments of the courts below, which according to him are well reasoned and therefore do not merit interference. Full stop. Submissions of the counsel for the parties and examination of the record of the case with their able assistance gave rise to the following points of law for consideration. Full stop. What is the nature, scope, and extent of reappraisal of evidence by the High Court while hearing an appeal and a reference sent by the trial court for confirmation of the death sentence? Full stop. Whether it was necessary to complete the chain of the circumstantial evidence in order to connect the accused with the commission of offense. Full stop. Whether reliance could be placed on a testimony of a witness who made improvements in his statement, and whether recovery of the alleged stolen property without their prior identification or in absence of any proof that they were owned by the deceased person could connect the accused with the commission of offense. Full stop.